You so poor? Why are you so poor? Why is it that you make poor decisions every day? Why is poor not your financial status? But poor is actually your mindset. Why is it that you believe that poor is a choice? You see, you're so poor. You see, when rich people say, man, you poor people, you think they were talking about your financial status. Nah, poor is a mindset. You see, poor is a mindset that we believe is okay to be. Matter of fact, we glorify while we're poor. But let's talk about what poor is. Poor is when you're over here passing over opportunities repeatedly to learn or to earn more. See, when you pass over those opportunities to learn or earn more money, guess what? That makes you poor. That's a poor decision. And that poor decision is what makes you become broke. And once you become broke, you then fall into what's become broken. And once you become broken, that's when you'll stay stuck. So you can't be here being poor and having poor mindset without expecting something good to come from it. So remember, poor is a decision. Being poor is a choice. Because if you have a wealthy mindset and you start making rich decisions, you will never be poor. Being skeptical is a poor mindset. Being a pessimist is a poor mindset. Being a non-believer is a poor mindset. Being doubtful is a poor mindset. You got to be optimistic and have faith. Stop being poor.